let's make chickpea lentil curry. For that, we require following ingredients. First is 1/4 cup chickpea chole, 1/4 cup green moong dal. It is with cover, green moong dal, soaked chickpea and soaked green moong dal. Then we will take half teaspoon cumin powder, jeera powder, this cumin powder half teaspoon, and salt as per your taste. Then we have this cinnamon stick. See, it is advisable to take cinnamon powder. Since I don't have that, I'm using the cinnamon stick, half cinnamon stick. Then it is one green chili, chopped green chili. This is 1 teaspoon grated ginger. Basically grated ginger, 1 teaspoon grated ginger. Then we have two chopped tomatoes. Then we have around 1 cup, 240 ml, 1 cup chopped spinach. Then we have little bit of coriander to sprinkle on at the end of our dish. And also also take half cup thick coconut milk. For this you will need half cup shredded coconut and grind it with half cup water. So the quantity must be 1:1. One half cup coconut, shredded grated coconut, and just grind it with half cup coconut water, and then sieve it, and the mixture which you will get will be thick coconut milk.
So let's begin the preparation. तो सबसे पहले हम लोग एक कुकर ले लेंगे इस तरीके का, ठीक है, और उसको हम लोग गैस पे रख देंगे. तो सबसे पहले हम लोग इसको गैस में चढ़ाएंगे. So first we will add grated ginger to the heated cooker, then some green chilies, and we will keep the flame at medium, and we're going to roast it for a while. Then we will add the remaining ingredients. Also at this time add the spinach also, the chopped spinach, 1 cup spinach. So since I've forgotten right now, so I've added at the end, but you have to add it right now. So we have added roasted cumin powder, salt, then cinnamon stick, then your chickpeas, your green moong dal, and we're gonna stir it and roast it for a while. We will also add tomatoes. Keep on stirring it and at least roast it for 2 minutes. And after 2 minutes, you have to add 3/4 cup of water and close the lid and let it whistle for 4 times and at medium flame. Now I am adding 3/4 cup of water. This is my usual 240 ml cup. So I am taking water and I'm going to add this. Now close the lid and let it cook for at medium flame up to 4 whistles. Now after 4 whistles, turn your flame to slow and cook it further for 2 whistles. So after two whistles, close the gas and let the steam of the cooker releases by itself. So we're gonna not open it immediately. We're gonna wait for at least 10 minutes, and then we're going to open the cooker. And once the after opening the cooker, we're going to add our thickly prepared coconut milk in the mixture. So here I'm adding this thick coconut milk, and I am also going to sprinkle some coriander over it. And do you remember I have told you about that the spinach you have to add it at the time of cooking? Since I have forgotten, so I'm going to add it now. After adding the spinach, I have closed the lid for some time so that it can cook in its own heat. And now it's actually prepared. I'm going to wait for further 10 minutes. So it's ready, it's prepared and ready to relish. And you can also make it. And it's a satvik dish. It's very healthy dish. It's no oil dish, but so much fulfilling. It is a lunch and even a dinner. You can eat it in your lunch or dinner in whatever ways you want. And I'm going to come with another dish, another recipe in my next video. Everything will be sattvic, and all are created from this sattvic cookbook, which the sattvic movement have launched their books. So I am creating these recipes from that book only. And the taste of each and every recipe is very tasty, very yummy, like it's better than the usual food we eat at a home. So you should try it once, and have a great day. Bye.